In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a text transformation using Photopea. If you're unfamiliar with Photopea, it's a great free-to-use online photo editor that's perfect for quick design tasks without the need to install any software. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Photopea website. You can simply type Photopea into your search bar, and it should pop up as one of the top results. Once you're on the Photopea site, you'll notice that its interface bears a resemblance to a popular photo editing application known as Photoshop, which means you can enjoy some powerful editing tools right in your browser. Now that we're on the Photopea page, let's jump into selecting the text you want to transform. If you already have a project you're working on, great, just open that file. If not, you can start a new project or even import an image that contains text you wish to modify. Once your file is open, go ahead and select the text tool from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. It looks like a capital T. Click on it and then click on the text area within your project. With your text selected, the next step is to head over to the top menu bar. Click on Edit, where you'll see various options to manipulate your chosen text. What we're interested in is the Transform function. Selecting Transform will open up a range of possibilities for altering your text's appearance. You'll notice several options appear, including scaling, rotating, and even skewing your text. For example, if you want to rotate your text, you can click on the Rotate option, which allows you to rotate the text to your desired angle. You can either enter a specific degree of rotation or use your mouse to freely rotate the text on your canvas by dragging it. Make sure once you've adjusted your text to your satisfaction, you commit to the transformation. You can do this by hitting the Enter key or clicking the check mark that may appear on the options bar. This ensures that your changes are saved and applied to your text. And there you have it. You've now successfully transformed text using Photopea. It's a simple yet effective process that can make your text more dynamic and suited to your design needs. With practice, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently use these tools to enhance your projects. Whether you're editing text for a poster, a digital flyer, or any other creative undertaking, Photopea provides a wide array of tools right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!